Tawagin na natin si Christina, Samantha, and Sarah! Let's go!
My group mates, they sing very nice, and I wish I could copy them. And even if I don't pass, and one of my friends do, I am still proud of them.
And don't forget that you have each other on the stage so you can get energy from each other. Parang hindi kayo kabahan. If kinakabahan man kayo, try to help each other on the stage. Just a simple glance, simple nod, or try to look at each other. Malaking help siya para mas mapagaan yung performance.
Coach Pablo is very nice and kind. He gives us really good advice in singing and so pogi. Sometimes I get starstruck while singing when he's in front of me. That's why I have a really hard time.
Just be careful kasi I know when you perform on stage, baka ma-overhype or ma-overwhelm kayo. Just try to be calm and think about how you practice the song. Magmawawala yung connection mo sa song kasi kapag nawala kayo, you go overboard, mababago yung emotion, yung performance mo. So, just keep that in mind. Yun lang, congratulations, ang galing. So, nakakatawa.
Dati gumagawa ko nito, pero na-realize ko nakakapagod pala magpit-pit ng tansan. Alam mo ginagawa ko? Yung ano na lang, yung bote, tapos nilagyan ko ng bato.
What's your wish? What's your Christmas wish?
I wish I could buy a gingerbread house.
A gingerbread house.
Yeah, like you can make it. And I also want a mini chocolate Christmas tree. I want to the three of us to be successful in the future. Yeah.
Good luck, kids. Good luck.
We are 3 stars and we're ready for the battles.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. 'Cause there's always gonna be another mountain. You're always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be another battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. In There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Fast I get there. Ain't no about what's waiting on the other side. It's a keep on flying, keep flying, keep living, baby. It's all about the
God! Coach! Kamusta naman? Kamusta naman sila para sa'yo, Coach Tel?
Grabe naman yun! Ang hirap pumili dito sa tatlong to be honest. Kasi, alam mo yun, iba sila eh. Parang iba't ibang style, syempre, iba't ibang klase yung boses din nila. Pero yung pagkaka-interpret nila ng song, iba-iba rin eh. Kasi syempre, iba-iba sila ng age and iba-iba pa rin yung pagkakaintindi nila dun sa kanta.
All of you have different styles. Iba-iba yung klase ng pagkanta nyo. Pero may isa akong nakita na pare-pareho kayo. All of you were so innocent. Sobrang inosente ng pagkanta nyo. It was so dreamy. Kaya, wala, tama. Pablo, good luck na lang, tol.
Kaya naman ngayon, sino kina Christina, Seren at Samantha ang pipiliin ni Coach Pablo? Wow. Kayo, sino kaya sa tingin ninyo? Sino sa tingin nyo? I-share nyo nga po yung hula nyo and please use our hashtag for tonight na makikita nyo now on your screens para sabay-sabay nating abangan ang desisyon ni Coach Pablo dahil magbabalik agad ang The Voice. Coach Pablo, sino ba ang umangat para sa iyo?
Isa pa daw break mo. Hindi, pero, girls, I'm so proud of you. Gusto ko lang ikwento, one of the main reasons why I chose the three of you is because your overflowing confidence and yung energy nyo. Talagang nahawa ako kanina. Each of you may unique voice. Talagang may kanya-kanyang storya yung boss. You will go places. But for now, ang pipiliin ko siguro ay si ang advance sa tropa ni Pablo ay si Christina.